What's up, everyone? I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but the engine is wired, but you can kind of see here how big this guy is. So it's over an inch of wires that I had to bring out of the cab. But I got everything hooked up, alternators hooked up, fuel injectors, coil packs. You kind of see engine temperature control, knock sensor, map sensor, everything is hooked up. This, I have to wait until I put the MAF air system on there, the air intake, and then I'll get that later. But you can see everything's done on this side. So this goes down to a knock sensor. I've got to cut it, but it's got to go down below. But up here you can see coming from that main harness, got everything in here hooked up, fuel injectors, coil packs, everything. And over here, got everything hooked up for the throttle body. Gonna come through here. So this was a lot. It was a lot. Can't remember if I did the transmission or not, but the transmission's all wired in, all the wire loom and everything. Then this harness, this one, that's for the computer. So I'm still trying to figure out where I want to put the computer. If I want to put it here under the seat, or try to see if I can figure out a way to mount it up inside the dash. I think if I put it inside the dash, I'm going to end up having to cut this wire, this whole loom, and then solder each one at a time. It's a lot. Then this wire harness that's right here, this one is for all of your stuff inside, your lights, your just everything that would be internal, wipers, cigarette lighter, whatever, headlight switch. That's all in that wire loom. But with that, I'm just glad I got this one done. This was actually a lot of work because you had to bring out that entire wire loom and then try to separate everything and get everything hooked up and clean. I think that looks pretty clean. If you look at that. So starter system's all wired in. This is the battery side. This is the side that goes into your fuse box. This one. This is your neutral safety. So when you hit the key and you're in neutral or park, that'll fire up, let the solenoid engage, and then it'll send power down this guy and turn the starter over. When you let go of the key, the engine should run. This one will disengage, and then this will power, well, you'll charge the battery, but everything will be running by then. Oof, it's a lot. So with that, everyone, I think that's all I got to cover for now. Later.